Farming, it's a tough gig, long hours, unpredictable weather, and more rules and regulations than a Formula One pit stop. But amidst the muck and muddle, a revolution is brewing. Effervescent tablets are transforming pesticide application. They reduce environmental impact and enhance user experience. Yuvraj Patil, Managing Director of Newchem Sunraysia, holds the patent. Let's dive into how these fizzy wonders are making a big impact. Traditional pesticide formulations, messy and cumbersome, measuring errors, spills, and excessive use of solvents. Effervescent tablets, clean, efficient, and eco-friendly. Optimal plant protection. Curious to know more? Farmers are seeing remarkable results. These tablets transform pesticide formulations globally. Drop, dissolve, and spray. No mess. Precise dosing, happier fields and farmers. Effervescent tablets, revolutionizing agriculture. Hold on to your hats, folks, it gets even more exciting. Precision dosing, eliminate measuring errors. Enhanced solubility, uniform distribution, environmentally friendly, no solvents, no spills. Drone compatibility, ideal for precision agriculture. Effervescent tablets are set to transform agriculture. The future is bubbly. Newchem Sunraysia, your partners in agricultural advancement. We provide the best solutions for agriculture, exclusive rights to pesticide manufacturers, produce insecticides, fungicides, and herbicides in tablet form, market edge protected for 15 years. Join the revolution with our effervescent tablets. Experience consistent performance and appeal to environmentally conscious consumers. Partner with Newchem Sunraysia for exclusive rights to this technology. Access cutting-edge manufacturing and sustainable products for agriculture's future. Contact us today to learn more. Newchem Sunraysia, where innovation meets agriculture. Let's grow together. For technology transfer, call 9822840000.